already appeared.
मैं वकालत हूँ, not file.
Yes, yes.
I'll file my वकालत हूँ industry.
Today, when?
By along with the वकालत I'll file my bhajan because I have not.
How much time you are?
Within 10 days.
He's filed his Wakalatnama within 10 days. Stop. He also seeks liberty to file the counter to the writ petition. Sir, what is your name, sir?
My lord, my name is Girish Kumar Sundaray on behalf of Mr. Tula sir. I have also appeared in this case. My name is
Girish Kumar.
Girish Kumar Sundaray, sir.
So Girish G.K. Sundaray.
G.K. Sundaray.
Appears in VC and submits that he has instructions to appear along with Mr. Tuna SAHOO, who has already presented appearance on behalf of the bank, shall file counter.
No, already filed counter.
Already filed. They have given us the copy.
Objection, he said.
Objection, he has already filed and he has given the copy. Yes.
On record.
My lord.
Youngsters appearing on a otherwise they will not learn anything at all. Already learning has gone to me.
Today only he has not started late and
We will not write anything about him. Yes, ignore that. Yes. I'm grateful. They come here and argue. A local guy speaking from online, what he will learn unless he sits in the court hall.
his senior was also told by
My lord, my senior is on the way. My lord.
All right, we will not take your note. We will not take your cognizance at all. Okay.
Let's read your opinion. Let's read your opinion. So,
this bench, regular bench.
Regular bench, not this bench.
This is special bench. So
Before other bench, you may move it.
since it is
One day.
not this bench, you mention it. If you are filing it, they will accept it like the other matter. What you mention. But to understand what they will do, they will send it to a listing before this bench. Mention which bench, regular bench.
regular.
Or write the name of the honorable judges. Yes, next.
Yes. Item 1.
Order dated 12/2025 direction. Record was called for.
So records you have received.
Yes,
You are ready with the records with the index. You have to assist us. You are not supposed to flip through the pages.
Just I have received.
Just you have no.
Yes, where are the records of the person?
Just I have received. Index of that along with your notes on the next date of hearing. All this matter when this bench is next at the request of learned ESC Mr. Singh. Read. Yes. Item 2. You have to take his assistance. Yes.
Item 2, I'm for the petitioners, my lord. I'm led by Senior Counsel Ms. Rath. She is on her legs. I'm just requesting if the matter can be taken up at the end of the board.
Today.
No,
Not possible. Well, we have another things, na? We'll fix some other day.
Subject to my lord.
Same order. Yes, at the request.
Great.
Of court. Item 3 and 4 have been adjourned. Item 5.
Item 4, madam, there. Lord, I was making a mention for item 4. Item 4, madam, I'm filing an application for amendment.
No, you have to file it in the registry.
I'll do that.
Here.
My lord, may I only pray that a date may be registered for this. I may
Whenever next is, but that's it's not.
bringing on record the present incumbent as per the last order, my lord.
No, all pleadings to be filed in the registry.
I'll do
Because
that.
We do not know whether swearing is done, the pagination is done.
I'll do that, Lord.
Yeah.
My lord, only for a date it could be fixed, my lord.
We can't fix date because it is for
On the next sitting,
All matters.
or we can say.
on the next
The
sitting.
next.
Yes.
That you write in all the claim.
Yes, next sitting. Grateful, my lord.
Item 5.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Non-compliance of order passed by this Honorable Court on 21st March 2025. He has also given his representation on 2nd April 2025, sorry. 2025, and the receipt I have also annexed the receipt.
Yes, any notice was issued to the other side?
Your Lordship, they were instructed to take instruction.
Not issued, my lord. Issue police
Instruction was given to them twice. One.
No notices, unless
20
notice is issued. In contempt, we have no jurisdiction to take act. Now we'll issue notice, police notice. If they do not do, you know what we are going to do. Issue police to the contempt. Yes.
Item 6.
Next.
And item 6, my lord, we have complied, my lord, direction, my lord. Let's say,
Have they complied with the direction?
My lord, only as far as the designation of the post is concerned, in the initial appointment, it was typist. And but it has been written as a diarist. There is maybe a typographical mistake.
So Lordship, direction is, I'm appearing for OP number 5. There is special pending authority. In fact, your Lordship is directed state to create a post and give you appointment the original post where he was there. So in fact, Lordship, that has been done. Diarist. Next, Lordship, kindly see.
A6.
AY5.
Okay, sir, my lord.
Unless, no, my lord, there was a e-file. Unless copies, unless copies served, the e-file will.
Whatever decision you take, it should be communicated to the complainant. Sorry, my lord, because not.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, explanation. That fairness is not there. No. Lordship, sorry, my lord. Sorry. That is our duties to serve. Not serving here. Every order. That's correct. That's correct. Compliance should. Yes, my lord. Yes. So that dependency level will not go up here. Prior to filing the case, my lord, before that was sorry, my lord.
Flag flag A, B, C, D, and E.
So they have sorry. That has not been done.
When stated that it is that public statement. But I think the appointing authority.
Yes, ma'am. Pending.
Yes, no join.
No, not join.
Joining the lecture height.
It is first you file the application for taking action for aggravated contempt. We will take.
The record I had seen.
Complaints affidavit has changed. Complaints order, Lordship, can see. I am appearing for OP number 5. Lordship, can see my complaints affidavit. That is case 6 and 8. With 6 and 9. Both Lordship. Then subsequently pass order on page 11. That is office order. And the appearance complaint is one complaint of order. That Chaudhary Bihala order. What is that in number?
14873 of 24. 15.
Oh, read petition. Yes, great petition number.
14873 of 2015.
Disposed of
on 25/6/2024.
After serving of the witness have filed the compliance report in the form of an affidavit. Told to by who has sworn to the affidavit. Party alone has to swear to the affidavit. No other person. The contender has to sell to the appealant.
Suppose ଏଇଟା କରିଛନ୍ତି collector କରିଛନ୍ତି।
The secretary has said. OP number 5 is the special planning authority. He filed. 5.
Contender number
5.
Contender number 5.
In fact, Lordship, it should not issue to contempt issue to the government. That doesn't matter. It's not issue. No. Usapadi also.
Usapadi is also
Contempt one also valid.
order dated letter number 2255 dated 22/1/2026 issued by Undersecretary to Government is also produced.
And also chairman.
Broadly satisfied that there is substantial compliance of the rate whose violation is complained of. And therefore, the complaint is liable to be dropped. Whether we liberty to the complainant to work out any remainder of the grievance elsewhere in accordance with law. Because in that direction, all respect
Lordship, he submitted joining report that has a receipt also.
Page 11.
Page 11 where it is that
He has received.
also
Joined.
details of the letter dated 22/1/2026.
Number 12. Number 12 is the order. That is
Page 11, Melody, he has received. She has received.
In complaint, you can save a lot of time. If government fulfills all those complaints, forms a committee and ensures that whether complaint will come, why all cases will come? You can fail it. Complaint. And complaints can be rejection. Don't make them to come to this board. After yesterday we have seen one matter. 2001 matter. They request. 2001. Party is alive or not, we don't know. That should not, especially today is the 30th January.
Really keep this in your mind.
Madam.
Okay.
But I will get a small prayer, my lord.
Yes.
In respect of that order, my lord, in fact, state has filed a writ appeal. Also, special panel also filed another writ appeal. That has not come. That will become infructuous, so that number is 3351 of 2024.
Has to be called. But that we now discover, Mr. Das, to be honest, we never knew.
Writ appeal was filed by whom?
By special planning authority, OP number 5.
OP number 5.
That has not come before Lordship, and also the
We'll get
state.
it posted now by special, this one. The special call that.
Yes, call the.
Call the.
If you have scanned copy, you can reproduce here. We do not know.
But listing has to happen.
Listing has to be notified.
Listing has to happen. Yes. Produce that. Agreeable? All are agreeable with this?
Yes,
Yes.
or that writ appeal would come, or otherwise. Passive.
And have joined. The joint on 22/1/2026. 22/1/2026. An endorsement appears to this effect at annexure C2. C/1.
But grateful, my
No, 11. At 11, sign-on has to come. Another one. Learned,
Sir, I don't know.
Yes.
Oh, man. Just.
I'll give you. Just 1 minute.
I will talk. I just sort of were judgment and or vacate 624 after the this number. Mark 27 of 2015 by the single judge. State order were challenged earlier by writ appeal number 3351 of 2024. Stop. In the writ appeal, sir, you are saying about special planning authority, Mr. Das?
Yes, my lord.
You are saying that special planning authority has filed a separate
writ appeal.
Kindly carefully listen.
What is?
Okay. In the state writ appeal, the special planning authority was the appellant number 5. It stated that as a matter of abundant caution, the special planning authority, being a separate entity, had filed the present writ appeal.
Another.
We reiterate our order dated 10/7/2025, disposing of the writ appeal number 3351 of 2024. Accordingly, the appeal being devoid of merits is liable to be and is actively dismissed. We should also know the order passed in the writ appeal filed earlier, that is writ appeal number 3351 of 2024, has been complied with. Also recorded in our order passed in the contempt application listed today.
I've given the number already.
Yes.
United States of the special list being mentioned by the non-economic last updated to the appellation. It submits that the earlier study has already been discussed, but this matter is I think first one discussed.
So accordingly, this also the same order passed. That becoming infractions in view of
Compliance.
Maybe should have considered the other.
Correct. Obligement.
At the time of. Yes, yes. If the officer has come, you just call it because they will be having a lot of work, no?
Yes.
Yes. Till about 24.
In that case, we have complied your lordship's direction.
You have complied with the direction.
Yes.
Why, within what period it ought to have been complied? What was the compliance period?
Compliance, my lord, your lordship, it is a matter relating to rehabilitation assistance scheme. So
What is the period of compliance?
a period of 2 months prescribed for considering the representation subject to 2 months, my lord, on 9/9/2025.
9/9/25. Compliance is done on which date?
There is some delay, my lord. It was
How
done
many
on
days?
29/1/2026 order was issued. I beg on conditional apology for the delay.
Why delay? Apology is
Delay
another
was-
thing. Why delay?
Delay was made because the father of the petitioner was working in an aided institution. So aided institution is a single unit, my lord. We are taking it in that way. Unless there is
What is his name and what is his designation?
DEO, State Education Officer, Paresh Kumar Patra.
Is he IAS officer?
No, no,
Not IAS.
no. Depending on them.
In any other matter, has he committed any delay?
No. I have
There is any case in which compliance is not reported?
No, my lord.
he has
There is no
joined.
such case.
Joint-
What is your name?
My name is Paresh Chandra Patra.
See in the computer whether his name appears in any case.
He has joined 2 days before in this DO as DO Dankana.
Just to verify. Any disciplinary inquiry is there against any time? No disciplinary inquiry. How many years of service you have been?
Sir, I have joined as DO in November this year.
Earlier, where were you?
I was as ADO. I was working at Jagatsinghpur.
Any disciplinary inquiry? Nothing like that?
No, man.
All right. No other case against him? Yes. Who appears for the other side?
Dr. Chuli.
Dr. Churi.
Complaint alleges violation of order dated 9/9/2025, whereby WPC 23967 of 2025 has been disposed of. Because of non-compliance, the police notice was issued to the contemner, and he has appeared before this day personally. First off, he submits that the writ of the court is duly complied with. What is the compliance order?
Compliance AY3 to the compliance and he will
My lord, in pursuance to letter number so and so, Director Secondary Education Odisha, and in order to comply the order dated 9/9/2025 of the Honorable High Court of Orissa passed in WPC number so and so, and as per recommendation of D.O. Dhenkanar and duly approved by the Managing Committee of Mapua Katone High School by resolution dated number dated Sri Shashi Bhushan Mahapatra, son of late Rudrabhavan Mahapatra, deceased headmaster so and so, is hereby temporarily appointed in a Group D beyond post against
Complaint order dated 5/1/2026 has been filed, whereby temporary appointment has been accorded to the complainant.
Yes.
Has he reported for duty?
Not today.
When are you going to take him to do?
Within 15 days.
Why? After issuing this notice?
He has received.
He has received already.
Already.
Yesterday he has received.
Monday he will report for duty.
Yes, my lord.
They have to accept a duty report. Mr. So and so, who is DO, personally present before the court, offers his unconditional apology and tells the court that there is no other case of this nature wherein he is involved. First up, apology is accepted. He also assures the court that if the complainant reports for duty on Monday or any day of the week commencing, the duty report would be straightway accepted without troubling the complainant. First, next, in view of the above, the complaint is dropped. Yes. If duty report is not accepted, that may amount to contempt. Thanks. Item 1.
My lord, in this case, Lord,
Yes.
my lord's order dated 29/7/2025 has not been complied with, Lord.
What the order says, 3 months which would include the duty to discharge. No, notice issued or not issued?
No, not issued, Lord.
Issue police notice, returnable. Which next right now? On 30th, 30th. Returnable on 30th. Post this matter on 30th. Police in the meanwhile to effect service and file the service report, failing which action may follow against them. Yes. Item 2.
May I please, my lords? This is a non-compliance order of your lordship, my lord, 10 September 2025. The relevant portion is at page 27, my lords.
10 September 25.
My lords. The relevant order is at page 27, my lords.
10/9/25. What the order says, brother?
My lords, the LIC finalized the subject
The
allotment
subject allotment by executing.
and registering required conveyance in favor of the.
Any appeal or anything is filed against them.
They have filed, my lords, twice the matter is listed, but there is no stay, my lords.
Issue emergent police notice. The same order. Contemptors. Returnable on so and so, post on so and so.
Only I pray, my lords, Annexure 3, I have wrongly annexed the different document which they have refused to. In the meantime, I will file it in the registry.
Council is permitted to rectify the mistake with regard to Annexure 3 production. Okay.
Please.
Item 3.
Your Lord. Order
Yes.
dated 7/8/2025, your lordship directed to the appellate authority to dispose the appeal within 3 months.
They have not done that.
No, man.
Who is the appellate authority?
It's the Director Elementary Education.
Director?
Elementary Education.
Yes. Police notice, emergent police notice.
Item 4.
In every notice below, every notice, put a note. The violation of court order is a punishable offense under the provisions of section 10 and 11 of the Contempt of Courts Act 1971, as also under Article 215 of the Constitution of India. First of all, punishment, imprisonment is also permissible. Okay, put that every notice you have to put as a note. Okay, or you put caution note. Next.
Item 4.
May I please, Your Lordship? Non-compliance of order date 6th of August 2025, Your Lordship. Lordship directed the opposite parties to consider the case of the petition for regulation, keeping in view JACO and the recommendation.
First time it has come, no?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Same order, same caution note. In every notice, you have to put that caution note. Yes.
Great.
Item 5.
Item 5, order date 3925, Lordship directed to sanction and pay the regular pension to the petitioner with all terminal benefit within 8 weeks.
Who are the, against whom direction was issued? OP number 1, 4 and 5.
1, 4 and 5.
You have made them contenders. Same order. On 13-1, they should come, no? 13-2. Yes.
Item 6.
6 minutes. Item 6 and 7 both. It's a matter relating to pension. Pension papers were submitted and it was objections were sought for by the controller of accounts. It was met and it was allowed yesterday on 29/1/2026.
You have complained now?
Yes. Pension was sanctioned.
Sanctioned?
Yes.
When pension amount will reach him?
My lord, in view of the above facts, it is submitted that now controller of accounts, Odisha Bhubaneswar, has issued pension payment order on 22/1/2026 to the treasury officer, Jajpur. Provide PPO number so and so, GPO number so and so, copy and close. Your lordship may kindly.
12 lakh?
My lord, it is
2,300.
Yes. It is there, office of the controller of accounts. The amounts were pension of rupees 15,300. Basic pension is 38,250. Everything is statements were given by now.
No, when that amount will be credited to his account? This is ordered.
This order for give and it was sent to the treasury.
That is sent to the treasury?
Yes.
The treasury in turn will credit it to the account of
Yes, exactly.
We'll record your submission then.
Yes, well, it is there. It is not my choice. No. Record says. Last page, your lordship may kindly see.
No. What? This is a note to the treasury.
No. This is the order.
This is, that's what.
Yes.
The controller of account. We are asking when amount will reach his account. Not orders.
My lord, within a week or so, it will reach in his account.
All right.
15 days time.
You have applied that order? No.
Annex of 2, my lord. The DO communicated the letter, my lord.
Yes, DO has communicated.
Previously, my lord, he is stating that I have already complied that. Here, my lord, the petitioner praying for antedating his service. Those similar situated person have been get that benefit, my lord.
Very good.
No, that is that you cannot. You look into this. Now they have given entire service. Entire service is given.
The GPF, etc.
15 lakh 4,400 rupees. It is given. This complaint is liable to be dropped in view of compliance. While order dated 29/1/2026. While letter dated 29/1/2026 addressed to learned AGA, accompanied by the pension payment order.
Yes.
Is it a pension payment order?
Yes.
Pension payment order coupled with challan to the district treasury. First off, learned AGA, Mr. G submits that money payable in terms of the PPO shall reach hands of the account of the complainant within an outer limit of 2 weeks.
Yes.
First off, if that does not happen, complainant may seek revival of this petition for aggravated contempt. Yes. You give copy that to him.
Yes. Both the cases, my lord. Five,
There is,
six,
if there is any
6 and 7.
other agreements, the same may be worked out by the complainant elsewhere in accordance with law. First off, in that connection, all contentions are kept out.
Right.
Yeah.
Item 8.
This contempt is dropped.
Yes, dropped. In the above circumstances, contempt proceedings are dropped. Yes.
Non-compliant order dated 14/10/2025.
Right?
Yes.
14/10/2025. Where direction has been issued to the opposite party. Contempt to dispose of the representation with regard to
Given some other.
Items and data.
Yes, serial number 8.
non-compliance order dated 14/10/2025. Where direction has been issued to the opposite party contempt to dispose of representation, consider the appointment in engagement in the
Compliance is done. No, first time it has.
First time it has come.
Issue. Police service. Caution. 13. Yes.
Item 9.
May I plead the lordship?
Yes.
The order dated 17th October 2025 has not yet been complied. The order is at page 9, my lord. The direction was given to the opinion number 1.
Same order. Yeah.
Item 10.
Item 10. The contempt by law, this, in this case, the inspect of my lord's interim or directions, they are not allowed to perform a duty, but subsequently yesterday they have passed order
To take you.
Allow with immediate effect, but from that date they have not.
Now at least it has happened, na? You have done that.
Appear for my lord.
When they were supposed to take you on duty?
Item 10.
Which date you were supposed to be taken on duty?
Sir, with effect from 23.
When the order was made, brother? 24/11/25, na?
Sir.
Item 10 though. Judgment. 27/11 judgment. That
24/11/27.
27/11 judgment dated 27/11/2025.
27/11. What the order says?
All departmental appeals in the light of the judgment within an outer limit of 4 weeks. Be disposed of.
27/11/25 within 4 weeks.
Within 4 weeks.
That will be 25/12. 25. More than a month, who should pay his salary? Salary and other things are paid to you?
No, just they have issued an order for to join. They do not allow to perform my duty.
I have to seek instruction.
Okay. Call this matter on 13 to explain as to why the complainant was not permitted to join duty despite the order. Although now it is submitted that he has now it is submitted that an order has been issued. Dated
This
date 28/1/2026, permitting him to report for duty
with immediate effect.
With immediate effect. You go to duty on 13, we will levy some cost, okay? After considering their options. Yes.
Item 11.
I have pleased the lordship.
Mr. Panda, who did not permit him to report for duty, keep that officer present before the court. Next date. Yes.
My lord, lordship's order dated 15th September 2025 has not yet been complied.
Not complied.
My lord. At page 7, para 3.
6 weeks. This is dated?
My lord, dated 15/9/2025.
Police, emergent police notice, same order.
My lord.
With caution notice. Yes. Item 12.
12 my lord, also same. First time you will see first content. First.
Same order.
Same. Matter relating to release of GPF amount.
Release of GPF amount. Panda, next date, it's a GPF money. You have seen that Padmanabhan Nair. Yes. Item 13.
13 my lord, also kindly see page. Attempt against interim order my lord. I am joined and discharge my duty. After 1 month, they have arrested me, but not to discharge my duty. Page 10, your lordship's order. Kindly see. Ordinarily, when appointment through notified by the reporting.
Ordinarily,
the same is not kept in suspended admission. Such cases are very animation. Such cases are very rare in service jurisprudence. In above circumstances, the application having been favored, the order
keeping the petitioner's
appointment in abeyance is kept in abeyance. Till today, they have not allowed me to join my duty, man.
I have to call them. By 13, they have to comply it and will explain also.
Issue emergent police notice. Returnable also issue. On the next date of hearing, who are the complainants?
DO, director and DO. Both.
All the
yes.
contenders shall be personally present before the court. Failing which they may be brought by force.
My lord,
No, 1 second. We'll give an exit point for them.
Okay.
However, their presence may not be necessary. If they comply with the order and report compliance on the next date of hearing. Yes. 13. Item 14.
14, my lord.
Yeah.
This is also first time, my lord. They have not complied the order, your lordship.
What is the order?
Order, my lord.
8 weeks.
8 weeks.
Including communicating the same.
Yes.
Issue police notice. Same order. No, caution notice. Okay? Caution note. Yes. Item 15.
Next one, same.
Item 16.
Please, your lordship.
Yeah.
I am for the opposite party number 3. I have filed this IA at flag E for recall of the order dated 2nd of September 2025. Earlier, the writ petition was being listed.
What is the order?
My lord.
Director, Registrar, Judicial, Orissa High Court, or any other complaint against the petitioners under section 215. So, where is the order?
No, your lordship, it is WPC 2863, item 16.
16, that's what. 2863.
My sole ground is I was never noticed in the matter, my lord. 5 orders have been passed in the writ petition, and it was made to the petitioner deliberately did not take any notice to me when my registration certificate was under challenge.
Parties are notice appear through their counsel before the appellate authority on 12/9/2025 at 11 a.m. and seek further orders at the hands of the.
When I was not a party before your lordship, and no.
It's all right. But why you should be heard in the matter?
Yes, my lord. Because at page 4, your lordship, may kindly see of my IA at flag E. Just
the orders we have said,
my lord.
But it should appear before
they filed an appeal in 2024.
Yeah.
Then in 25 they filed a writ petition that I have no alternative remedy. Please entertain my writ petition, suppressing the fact that an appeal has been filed.
No, now we have directed to dispose of that.
No, exactly, my lord. That exercise will be in futility, my lord, because there is no original order against which an appeal has been preferred.
Whether appeal is filed?
My lord, that also that is what their averment is that.
The appeal is filed, no?
Yes, but there is no original order against which an appeal has been filed. That
we do not know. Whether appeal is filed or not is the question. If order is not filed, appeal is dismissed. That's all.
My lord, because my only page 4. I'll just beseech your lordships.
Page 4.
Page 4 of my IA at flag E. A chart I have given.
Now what we should do with
I'll just submit. My lord, on 7/11/24, a certificate was issued in my favor. Then they filed an appeal on 5th of December. Then on 24th.
Sorry. Petitioner filed appeal 2 of 2024 before the appellate authority. You have admitted that.
Yes. But then, my lord, on 24th of January 25, they filed the writ petition on the ground that there is no efficacious alternative remedy to challenge the certificate. It's a complete abuse of process, your lordship. Then, on 11th of February 25, appellate authority dismissed the appeal for non-deposit of statutory appeal fees. Then on 18th of February, thus Honorable Court, on the request of the petitioner, issued notice in the writ petition only to BDA and not to me. Then on 20th of February, the Honorable High Court disposed of the writ petition, giving liberty to the petitioner to file an appeal. All these facts have been suppressed in the writ petition. Then, my lord, next page. On 10th of April, on application by the petitioner, the Honorable High Court recalls the order as the appeal was already dismissed. Here also I am not heard. On 26th of June, petitioner amends the writ petition and challenges the appellate order. Here also I am not heard. Then on
take notice.
They are appearing, my lord.
Who appears for the? Yes.
Lord, it's making a moral out of a move. My appeal was dismissed on non-deposit of 100 rupees fees. In fact, we challenged that order before your lordship. Your lordship said that that order is set aside, appeal will be contested. That's all. And it is by a union, which association which is recognized without holding an inquiry. They are the builders proxy union. We are the residents. We say that there has to be an inquiry before granting registration. And in fact, that appeal which was filed, the challenging the registration or recognition, that got dismissed for non-deposit of 100 rupees fees only. That's all. And today your lordship has remanded us back to there. And he is protected that he can contest the appeal there. That is the order.
My lord, this complaint which they are making, they have to first make it before the competent of the BDA.
That can be a ground for dismissal of
appeal. If they reject the complaint, then appeal will rise. They have not made a complaint.
But they have filed the appeal.
Yes.
Without any impugned order.
Therefore, you can take up that.
My lord, that liberty may be given because my lord, the appellate authority is not giving me any documents. I did not appear on that day.
You give entire copies.
I'll give.
Not a single paper is being given.
My learned friend is competent enough to get everything, my lord.
No,
he has developed expertise over this area.
No, that's all right. But give copies.
I'll give, my lord. Definitely.
Memo and other things.
Definitely.
Because a certificate is not appealable, an order is appealable.
First, furnish copies first.
But the appeal which is filed over there.
Yes, copies have to be given to him.
I need little time because the Monday by Monday, I'll supply it. Your lordship will take it up on Monday for this limited purpose at 4:15, 4:20, because your lordships are sitting in division.
Yes. Tuesday, push this matter at Tuesday. On Tuesday. Okay. Great.
Obligation.
Next. No, wait, chamber, you already sent us a lot of them.
Item 17.
My lord, item 16, my lord, I am for the BDA. My lord, copy of the IA may be served.
Copy is not given to you.
No, my lord.
Brother, you appear for petition. You are for OP.
Yes, my lord, item 16.
Yes, 16. You appear for whom?
BDA, my lord. Bhubaneswar W.
I am for the petition. Orders on IA 1485 of 26. Who appears for the?
It's the last matter only which my learned friend is in.
You copy of yes.
Item 17.
Item 17, I am appearing for the petition only.
Yes, sir. What do you want?
No, sir. Intervention application and for recalling of that order has been filed by another person. My case has already been disposed of.
What is the application? Who appears for the? appearing on behalf of Sarangi. Mother date. Call when this is single. Yes.
My Lordship, kindly see last order, the date 22 January 2026, madam. But there is a noting for your Lordship fix it to.
Why this statement has not been complied with and compliance report has not been submitted with the Registrar General of this court. Give that.
Your Lordship fixed it 30 February.
No, what happened? Still it is pending.
It's pending, madam.
Why it is pending?
They have not complied with the.
Who has to comply?
My Lord, your Lordship directed to PO, Presiding Officer Education Tribunal.
The compliance. Compliance. Execution case.
Yes, madam.
What was the order?
In read application, madam.
No. In the you have put the order in execution, no?
Yes, madam.
What
It
is
is
that order?
Page 16.
What was that order?
That is to release of granting it with effect from 1/3/88.
Page number 68.
16.
16.
In read application. In the above, no matter therefore the present granting application is filed by the applicant themselves, they allow in their favor the number 1 and 2 are direct to release minimum granting in favor of the applicants with effect from 1st March 1988 as they are found eligible of the same and release the full salary cost in their favor with effect 1st March 90 as they are found entitled for the same in their favor.
On 28/1, what happened? This was posted on 28/1. What happened on 28/1?
On that day, my lord, due to strike, my lord, Odisha Bond, I am not appearing. My lord, on the export of Odisha Bond, the urgent to some other day.
No, it just says this happened that way, that happened this way. He took time and the other person was not well. How that is going to? Why?
Yes,
there is an order. Why the order of the tribunal is not compliant? Give contempt of court set. The order of the tribunal fits into the court. Give that contempt of court set. Whether a tribunal, educational appellate tribunal is a court within the definition of section 2, what the courts have said. If that is so, we should take action here only.
the orders of the tribunal are not obeyed? Why you seek execution? You have seen the Honorable Justice Pardiwala's judgment now. You give some time to us. At our own level, we'll do something. Why, madam? Order of the tribunals are not complied with.
We should see, Your Lordship, as the Honorable Supreme Court has said that it should be within 6 months, Your Lordship.
Within execution, it is.
Yes, in execution.
We are asking you why you give scope for execution. Your officers are a party.
No, Your Lordship.
Yes. Execution is against you.
Melody.
No, this should all execution should come to an end within 6 months is the judgment of Apex Court.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Question is, why do you give scope for filing the execution?
Lordship, I'll take instructions as to what has.
You have to tell why that order is not
yes, Your Lordship.
Complied with. You are only saying we want to file SLP and say you file 100 SLP, who prevents you? But as long as you are not filed and obtain the stay order, all orders should be complied with.
Yes,
that is the object of establishing the tribunal. Otherwise, you will be harassing the employees who go before the tribunal or the institutions who go before them. That would be.
Yes, ma'am.
24A.
B, ma'am.
24B.
If Lordship permit, my lord, they have lost 2 times before this honorable court, my lord. File FO also dismissed, against FO.
And the review also.
The review also dismissed.
I have seen that. No, if something has to be done, it should not go on like this. No? Huh? Complaints I have read, but I am not satisfied that the judge does not appear to be effective. Being a bada judge. All this matter on 13th.
Your Lordship, 2 weeks' time.
2 weeks.
13th.
Yeah, 13.
13.
2 weeks. Arithmetically 2 weeks. Yes, 30. The next day, the learned AGA should seek explanation from the officials as to why they are giving scope for filing execution proceedings for enforcing the orders obtained by the employees stroke institutions, educational institutions. First off. If explanation is not offered by the which respondent has to offer explanation?
No, all my lord.
By the respondent. Thomas. The incumbents of their offices may be directed to be personally present before the court. Registry to share a carbon copy of order with the learned AGA. Yes, we'll set right things there.
Yes, sir. Put up the as earlier date, my lord. Until you also fixed 13th.
13.
Yes.
Yeah. Otherwise, I will be in DB. Rest of the day, I will be in the division bench.
Today, my lord.
Not today.
No. Friday will be the.
Friday. That is the 13th.
13th is Friday. I'm just
Friday.
thinking of sitting on every Friday.
Yes,
so that we can clear the mess there.
My lord.
Yes.
Item 19.
In also, my lord, this is also same thing. Will also directed to conclude the execution proceeding within a period of 4 months. Now, later has been issued noting also kindly see.
What he has done? Who is that presiding officer?
In fact, in the present case, I am also the counsel of the tribunal. The tribunal has taken some step and also passed order to stoppage of salary. Now, every time the state council appearing for the opposite parties, So furnish a letter, the government is now decided to file appeal before the.
Then should listen to that story.
Yes, that is every time no new letter and it does not.
What is this? What was the order?
Main tribunal matter. Tribunal on a writ petition, I will enclose Annexure 1. You also kindly see page 13. The operative portion is page 23. The widow, my lord, as the direction was issued to approve her appointment and release salary from 2008.
Mr. Behura, you are appealing the
My lord, my lord.
What are you going to do?
My lords, in fact, there is a noting that tribunal has written letter.
Leave the tribunal. You are going to be the order.
Yes.
My lords. My lords, my adjourn will.
Direct to state
on the next date of hearing, the OPs shall state as to why the order of the tribunal is not implemented despite filing of execution proceedings, and there being an order by this court to accomplish the execution proceedings within
4 weeks, 4 months.
Within 4 months. First one. That order was made on
9/25.
Yes.
And the main order passed on 2023.
First one. If order of the educational appellate tribunal that is put in execution is not complied with, in the meanwhile, and no proper explanation for non-compliance is offered, the respondents, OPs run the risk of the concerned OPs run the risk of severe contempt action, which may include imprisonment. Okay. Next.
Item 20.
13. Next
30. Column 30. How many execution proceedings are pending there?
Execution case,
Thousands.
And some of the matters from that 13, 11, 20, 12 execution case is still pending.
My learned brother was there for a quite long period defending the government.
No, I am not there.
He was not there.
Even I am not. I am staying here.
No, we'll do something. We'll do something. Yes, next.
Item 20, my lord. Lordship was direct them to the Land State Execution Tribunal for disposal of the execution case. And in the meantime, my instruction is, and your lordship kindly see there is a noting that some
what the execution done or not?
No, what the on Land Tribunal has done, my lord, is disposed of the execution case, saying something that I am not entitled, so I have to challenge it again.
You have to challenge. So nothing survives in this.
No, in the execution case, since it has been disposed of, so I have to.
The execution proceedings having been disposed of, while order dated?
It is there, exactly. That is not with.
When order dated, so no further orders are necessary in this petition.
Directly.
Next.
Item 21.
21. But it is also the execution. Your lordship, by order dated 25/9/2025, but given outer limit of the 4 months. But the last order of the tribunal, here is a case SLP has been dismissed on 2nd July 2024 by Honorable Justice J.B. Patiwala. Despite dismissal of SLP.
Supreme Court, we should
Sorry. And despite dismissal of the SLP, and that has been taken note of, now the 4 months limits of this Honorable Court's order has already expired, and the last order tribunal expressed the anguish, my lord. One line I can read also. That is, they have taken note of all these things, but there is no response from the side of the opposite parties to compliance this order. This is the order that has been passed in report.
Direct arrest or CPC provisions are made applicable?
Yes, my lord.
Execution, all kindly view the execution.
24A6 education.
What are the powers given to the tribunal? As good as in court.
Yes.
It's mentioned there.
Yes.
It's a deemed decree.
Yes, deemed. 24 and 6 provision.
Right. All this.
In other cases, madam, they are in the other cases they are taking plea that we will file SLP. But here is SLP
It's been dismissed. 13. Column 13.1. Tell that officer to come and yes.
Item 22.
Madam, let it be put up in
13. Even after dismissal of SLP, you all don't want to comply with the order.
My lord.
Why these officers saying like that? Lord, let the counsel for the petitioner suppose that though the SLP filed by the OPs has been dismissed by the order dated
2 July 2024.
2/7/2024. They are not implementing the order put in execution. He also comes to the notice of court, the apex court decision, which is that judgment 6 months.
Rahul Shah.
No, my lord.
1 year.
Very.
Not Rahul Shah. Rahul Shah fixed 1 year.
Rahul Shah was 1 year.
I am the author of that judgment because I held it is 1 year.
Yes.
You there. Subsequently 6 months.
6 months. That is 25. Second one is also. Rahul Shah is on.
Very well, very well. But Rajamani.
Very much.
In
2020.
Periyammal versus V. Rajamani, 2025, INAC 329. All orders to all execution proceedings have to be accomplished within 6 months. First off. Next paragraph. In view of the above, the OPs have to show cause why. The concerned OPs have to show cause as to why the order of the tribunal, the order put execution has not been complied with on or before the next date of hearing. First one, call on 13.1 to 32, sorry. You are right. Non-compliance may result into penal action. Yes. Yes, let us yes, 13.1. Next, 23, 22, 22, 22, 22. Yes, I have instruction to
My lord, in this matter, this is the second time this matter has also. My lord, so earlier directed very order is very clear that to comply the order, failed to comply the order, there the cost should be imposed, but not less than 1,000.
But we have already complied that order. Final directed for disposal of this presentation. And we have already complied that order. My lord.
Give that copy.
I will give a copy that I got it, but I will give it. One copy is there with me.
Why is that poverty in this state everywhere?
No, not that, but otherwise.
So the judges, you give 2 judges, 1 copy will be given.
No.
What we should do? Should we eat churmuri in that?
Yes, not that. Obviously not that. It's only for my lord. I will give it.
They say they are complied with.
Yes.
Have you seen the order?
No, I have not seen.
Xerox of this order. Make Xerox. Contemner to deposit rupees 100 towards cost of paying of the compliance order with the registry immediately. Yes. Ask your client to pay 100 rupees to the registry. No, that's the way to put the things right. Otherwise, nobody cares the court. Only when police put into that bucket, first that happened. You start from yours.
No, not that much. I'm
pay 100 rupees.
I'm not on that minute. I will pay them. That's no problem. Minus direction, I will pay that. I will comply. Only thing is that minutes I wanted that file it in the form of a compliance.
Yes, that could have been. This is a contempt court. That could have been kept early morning before the sunrise. Yes. Hereafter, see, whenever you copy, na, make per page 50 rupees per page. This is 18 December 2020. Sir. What was the order?
Allah. Order dated by 18/8/2025.
No. 18/8/25. What it says?
Sir, only that he only allowed for that registration of that housing good.
Read the order.
In the above circumstances, the writ petition is disposed of directing opposite part number 2 to consider the subject application of the petitioner
for allotment of housing in terms of
the agreement
period of 8 weeks.
2 within a period of 8 weeks.
8 weeks were over when?
After there is a delay matters, 2 months for that matters are being unconditional offer.
18/8.
For that matters are being unconditional offer.
No, that is not the obligation. So that will be 16/10.
16/10.
Two and a half months delay.
For that matters are being unconditional.
Why delay? This happens for money.
No.
I'm sorry to say that.
In some
the
cases,
court orders are not obeyed. Every day I'm seeing the order.
In some cases,
here.
whatever my lord says, I cannot deny in some cases. But in this case, my lord, it's not.
No money is taken.
No money. It means really rejection.
Anyway, that
rejection doesn't matter. So for allow money, somebody may take money. So for rejection matters.
No, to see that he comes for money, giving money, and if he does not provide, then passing that order.
You can stretch it to the extent of getting
2 months, you pay 10,000 rupees per delay of per month for 10,000 rupees.
2 months minus kind excuse me.
No, this will go on like this. I want to stop here.
So no matters. I already insisted I kindly technical. I have told them not to do it again.
No, who will carry your words? They do not care our orders. Who will carry your words?
Because of minus power minus, we can manage.
Therefore, we are just showing the
only thing in this case, kindly consider my
1 entry in his service register. One adverse entry in the service register. Otherwise, everybody will say, I'm sorry, and go out smiling.
This case matters kindly consider. Only consider my submission and I beg excuse matters on behalf of the officers. Kindly excuse.
No, not you. You cannot seek excuse unless he instructs you.
On instruction, I have already scolded.
Who is that officer?
I already scolded them.
What is his designation?
Commissioner. Housing board.
Commissioner housing board is not there. The secretary or matters.
Who was there? We do not know. Direction was given to
Managing Director, MD.
Where is that?
OP number 2, sir.
Read that. Who is to whom the direction is? Go to the order.
It is open to consider the subject application to.
No, sir, it cannot go that way. No respect for court orders, courts, judges, nothing.
Yeah, but it's the commissioner and the commission. We don't know.
OP is number 2 to consider. Who is OP number 2?
Commissioner.
No respect for court orders. The court orders are not some instructions as a high school teacher.
But in some cases, it happens. I don't dispute on that.
We'll set that right now. One bite by the mad dog will put everything in alert.
Submit one thing matters. This side and that side matters will consider in form of equity matters. I don't dispute on that. In this case, my lords, after getting this information, I immediately communicated them. Why didn't you comply it in time?
Now, what will you say?
You
take your fee and keep it, they will say.
Fee, my lords. Also about that fee, my lords, forget that is a different thing, my lords, I did not say.
Let it 10,000. 5 rupees, 5,000 per month. Delay of court. Coupled with your apology. Otherwise, it will be 25,000 further. Yes.
Otherwise, nobody cares the courts nowadays. I'm sorry to say. It is so many, see execution, how many execution proceedings are pending? Unless somebody is put in prison, things will not happen. I have made a list of about 5 designations, the 5 to take action. I will not reveal who those 5 are, but one day I will do that.
So far these cases concerned, kindly consider my humble request.
And let it begin with you. Let us open, today is Mahatma's Hutatma Day. Is it not Hutatma Day? Let us start it from today.
My case,
no, it happens. Somebody, there should be one free bite to every dog. One free bite for every dog. Only after dog bites, then we will be alert.
May I submit, my lords? I have already stated, my lords, I have already scolded them.
No, that
on their behalf also, they requested I could have prepared a affidavit of apology, my lords, I could have filed it. But may I pray, my lords, kindly excuse me in that case. In other case, if it comes up, my lords, I will never stand in that. I will never stand in that.
Because one adverse entry should be made in his service.
One case, my lords, I am in that in my lords,
so that he will not get promotion.
Promotion. Well, there are special secretary rank, no further promotion, my lords. That is a different thing.
You need not worry.
That is a different thing, my lords. May I only submit this case may be excused. My lords, kindly, my lords, we will bring, my lords, another case will come, my lords, so we will pass all that on. I will not stand in the way. My humble request and I beg apology on their behalf. I have already stated them. It should not happen in that way.
No, apology cannot be by oral apology. It should be on affidavit.
That is what I came forward with a request that I am filing it in the form of a compliance affidavit so that I could have done it.
The learned panel counsel appearing for the contemner has filed a Xerox copy of the order dated 18 December 2025. First, he submits that. Although there is a delay of about 2 months, he client offers unconditional apology and the same be accepted. First, in this order, in the above circumstances, there being a compliance, belated compliance, coupled with unconditional apology of OP number 2, contemner number 2. OP or contemner? Contemner number 2. Let us write his name. What is his name? What is the name of
another night is written also.
This is by administrative officer designation.
The order is delivered.
Take this.
Gangadhar Naik, it was stated Gangadhar Naik.
Gangadhar Naik is a retired nonsense.
Therefore, who is this person? He is administrative officer. Direction was to some other authority.
That is the Hon'Ble High Court directed opposite part number 2, Orissa State Housing Board, to consider the subject application such and such.
Who has considered? Who is not the OP number 2?
He is not OP number 2 minutes. Whatever assistant commissioner, housing board minutes. There is no such post like this minutes. It is the administrative. There is no such post like this.
Apology tendered by Assistant Commissioner, Mr.
Assistant Commissioner, there is no such post, but administrative officer.
Administrative officer. Administrative officer. Mr. Well, let us write his name.
I'm getting that.
We'll give that. So, the contempt proceedings are dropped. First, liberty is reserved to the claimant to have redressal against the compliance order, if any. In accordance with law elsewhere. In that connection, all contentions are kept open. Yes. You do not communicate to the parties concerned.
But I will communicate it.
When did you communicate? It was on 25 December.
No, this one. This one I talked over phone. Man.
No, what should we do with the phone? He wants order.
Communicate to this party has been communicated.
Communicated. How it was sent?
Well, sir, Ashok Kumar Lekka.
You know how it is sent? Mode of communication?
By post, by registered. I think registered post. There is no registered post now. By post, by post.
You are only assuming so many things.
If might permit me 1 minute, I'll get that information or submit.
However, since a copy of the compliance order is not furnished to the complainant, and also to this court in a proper form, come up. The contempt number 2 shall pay rupees 250 to the registry of this court. Okay. Morning, you should tell if one copy is given, then we xerox that and 250 rupees, okay, to lawyers.
I will deposit it for the registry.
250 rupees. Yes.
Item 23. The order has been communicated but not through the court. He himself by post coming to my lord's order. But so office
compliance order is done.
Yes, already sent by post by the client itself. But not through the court. That is the
Steps is to be taken.
That the steps to be taken. Already says coming to the order.
First steps you have to take.
First steps he has to take. In the meantime also we have communicated.
We have already communicated, but not
what communicated?
By the post he is communicated himself. That is. By post he is but not through court. That is the problem. That is
who are the content?
But
what are the content?
Yes, Lakshman by Lord's order.
Page 10.
Yes, page 10.
Issue police notice to all the OPs. Returnable on 13.
That steps has not been taken. But they want
already are issuing police notice.
Yes, I have already
issued police notice to all of them. Okay. Returnable on or before 13/2/2026. First one, police to scrupulously serve the notice and submit compliance report well in advance, failing which disciplinary action may be directed against the concerned police inspector. Below that note, caution please. Not to tell that. Put that. Yes, next.
Item 24 has been disposed of. Item 25.
I am on the item 24. Last hour. Disposed of, they have been given group D poster in 1990.
That will challenge. If there is any grievance, we have said that also. Yes, next.
Item 25.
25 here, it has been complied. Compliance affidavit has been filed.
Have you sent the compliance report to the party?
Yes, ma'am.
How it was sent? It was sent.
On 21/2026.
What is the compliance?
Page 8. One line, one paragraph before the penultimate paragraph. Committee further decided that after such promotion, Srimati Sagarika Sahu shall be posted at TGT Arts, the government UP Noda School, Pandapalli, Kathuda, against the existing vacancy.
Recommended the case of Srimati Sagarika Sahu, assistant teacher, for promotion from so and so cadre to junior SCS cadre, nationally with effect from 26/8/2025.
Yes, yes.
Whether what happened to that recommendation? What was the order? Go to the order. One more case for implementation of the recommendation again. You have to consider the subject of the petitioner and dispose of the same in accordance with law within an outer limit of 8 weeks. How many days they took?
It has been 21/2026.
20 January. How many? What is the delay? Order was to be complied with within what period? Anyway, now they have recommended your case for promotion. Yes. All right.
Yes, my lord, a copy.
Give copy. Mr. Give him copy immediately.
I'm adding.
Learned AG has filed a compliance report along with a copy of the recommendation dated 20 recommendation along with copy of the office order number 1900 dated 20 January 2026 wide annexure B1 which reads as under. First off. But then who will process this?
It has already been processed, my lord.
Now, where is the order of promotion?
The director has processed it and it will be.
Within what period this will happen? That again he will come here.
No need to come.
You tell me within what period you are giving effect to the order?
It is on, my lord, 4 weeks.
The said or learned AGA very fairly submits that if the said order shall be implemented within 4 weeks, reckon from this day, so that the complainant shall not be driven to the court again. First of all, this is absolutely fair.
2026.
Yes.
DPC has already been convened. Can I have a glance to page 6 for a moment? This has been scheduled to be held on 21/2026 at 3:30 in this office chamber of the Director Secretary. You are therefore requested to please make it convenient to attend the said DPC. Already it has
been done. But promotion order has to be issued to him. To her.
Possibly they have received, my lord.
But they have promoted.
Promoted. Then you lost the in view of the above, the contempt proceedings are dropped. Yes.
My lord's indulgence system has been exploited
everybody will suffer. We pass orders, they will be put in dustbin or they will use it for eating chumri. That's not the object of our orders.
We are also making effort from our office also how best it can be done.
See that the dismissed. The orders are not complied with. 3 such orders today.
It needs to be complied at the earliest.
No, not so easily. I'm just waiting, Mr. Monty. Tell your clients, official clients, I'm waiting for an appropriate case. Appropriate case.
Whatever my lord has passed the order, we are immediately complying and forcing them to, it should be done at the earliest.
That's what.